Bye, girls. I love you. Mwah. Love you. Mwah.
Ma'am, is something wrong with Dad?
It's not like him at all. He went to work this morning and never arrived.
This is the answer machine for Evan Howells.
Evan!
People don't just go missing. Even I know that.
I don't know how to behave in situations like this. You got any ideas?
I would go through all this stuff. Everyone's got secrets, haven't they?
There's going to be a lot of unpleasant inquiries. He upped his life insurance to £1.25 million.
Please leave a message.
Evan, I am prepared to consider you innocent until proven guilty, but I am frightened.
As my mother used to say, when you're going through hell, keep going.
Ooh.